Hey everybody, and no chair. All right, so my plan is, love this red hair, beautiful, but I want to do something else. So me not thinking, well, me thinking, I don't care. I did think about it, whatever. So I want to change my hair color, but I don't want to bleach anymore as of right now because I don't want to have more damaged hair than I already have. Okay, so I've been doing some research on YouTube, on Google, everything, right? So I'm going to try a concoction. It's baking soda, Dawn dish detergent, and I'm going to use a clarifying shampoo. This is from Overtone. It's called the Fader. So actually it is made to fade hair color. Whether it will or not, I don't know. We are in my laundry room and I'm using my utility sink because that's what I want to do. Okay, so I'm going to mix up this concoction here and I'm going to show it to you. So now I'm going to put in a plastic mixing bowl the Dawn dish detergent with, I ain't even going to say 3 teaspoons of baking soda, like 1.5, 2, because I really did not measure. Baking soda in there, and then I'm going to add the Fader shampoo. But the Fader shampoo, it started squirting out when I opened it up, so I had to stop, and here we go. So now I'm putting in the Fader shampoo. It's a clarifying shampoo that I said earlier. I'm mixing. Hey girl, hey. Mix, 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 mix. Knowing that was not enough. It wasn't enough. Who was I fooling? Nobody. So now this is self-explanatory. I'm just wetting my hair so I can put the mixture in. As you can see, it's still coming out red and it's fading. That's what happens with red. It fades and it gets everywhere. So that is another reason why I wanted to change the color, because I was tired of it being on the back of my neck and on everything else I touched. So shampoo it out. So I have this in my hair. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bag on it. And I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes. And I will be back to see what happens. All right, this is after the first rinse. As you can see, it's orangey orange. And you can see some of the pieces are a little bit lighter, which I'm hoping for. I'm going to do it one more time. And then I'm going to put in a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and braid my hair up. And see what it does. Because I forgot to say, I will put the link down below or put it somewhere around here, who I seen do this, because actually he did it with a wig, but I was like, if it were for a wig, it were for real hair. So I will not do it more than twice, but I'll only do it for 20 minutes. I mean, 20 minutes is all I left this on, and then I rinsed out. And note to self, do not get dish soap, shampoo, or baking soda, that concoction, in your eye, because it hurts. Yeah, so I'm going to do it one more time because this baking soda dries the hair out. Let me get in this light. Baking soda does dry your hair out, so you got to be very careful. And you want to put in a leave-in conditioner. I put in some oils because I'm going to just braid it up, and then we'll see what happens tomorrow. I mean, this is like a fire engine red or orange red. I like it. It's cute. So I'm going to do it one more time. I need to get my stuff. Oh, please. So I did 3 heaping spoons of baking soda, the dish detergent, and Fader shampoo. And this time I made a little bit more, but not that much more. I needed more, but you know, I don't know what I was thinking. So I mix, and I'm going to put it on my hair. It was bubbling a little, but I was okay with that. So here we go. So I decided to put some heat on it and sat under my dryer for 25 minutes. Second wash down. I don't know if I got all the soap out. We're gonna see here in a minute. Let me prop you up right here. Can you see me? Oh, it's a little too high, but that's okay. I don't think I got it all out because I can still hear it. No, maybe not. Nope. The front is still got some soap. Let me rinse it out. Hold, please. So, got all the soap and stuff out. I'm just squeezing the water out with my microfiber towel. I should use the one that I got from Kitched. So I'm looking in the mirror to see, is it all out? So what now I'm gonna do is put a deep conditioner in there and let it sit for about 20 minutes maybe. It's still in the back, I can feel it. Okay, once I rinse all the way, I'm gonna put some conditioner in there. I'm gonna put the Remedy for Fine Hair Colorless Hair Mask. Also, I'm gonna use my Bondi Boost. Bondi Boost Miracle Hair Mask, and I'll be back.